What's up guys, I'm going to be talking about an awesome JavaScript es6 feature which is called the JavaScript Destructuring. I'm going to show you how to use it in this video. Let's get to the video. And as you can see, my VS Code editor, I've already created a file called destroy.js. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a list or call it an array in JavaScript. I'm going to put A, B, C, D elements into that list. Set that equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, actually, this is the common syntax to destructure an array. Destructure actually means unpacking elements from an array or list or whatever you call it, a list or an array. So what we're going to do is we're going to do console .log A and B. So I'm going to log out the values of A and B. I'm going to save this, go down to the terminal. I'm going to put node destroy. You can see we have an output of 1 and 2. What this actually means that A takes the value of 1, B takes value of 2, C takes value of 3, then D takes value of 4. In this 5, I'm going to show you how to output that next. So what you want to do is to output D, you just want to put the value D, then save this, head over to the terminal, log this out, and you can see we have 4. So D takes in value of 4. Now to print out 5, what you want to do is you want to go back to this original list and set this D. I want to put 3 period signs, three period symbols. This is actually called the spread operator in JavaScript. So what this does is it's actually a quick syntax to like unpack the elements in an array. So I'm going to bring this out by doing node destroy. Okay, I didn't save it. Let me save that. Come down below, put node destroy. You can see we get a list or an array of 4 and 5. So D takes in the rest of the values in this array, so 4 and the 5. So A and B, C takes in 1, 2, and 3. This is actually one you can this is actually one of the feature you can use destructuring for when working with JavaScript arrays. Now the main feature of why I like JavaScript structuring is we want to use it with JavaScript objects. So I'm going to show you how to do it now. Let me clean this up. Let me just create a const value, const variable. Let me call this distro. I'm going to set this, create an object of name. Let me use the channel name, callbacks, and content equals coding. So what I'm going to do next is for me to destructure out these keys and values. I'm actually going to create another variable called const. So I'm going to put in the properties inside the object distro. I'm going to put name and content. This is really slow today, guys. Sorry. I'm going to put name and content and put that equals. I'm going to put it to destroyer. No, sorry, not destroyer. I'm putting into equals to distro. Yeah, that's the original name of the object. So we're actually destructuring this object right now so we can get access to the property. So we're going to console log the name and the contents of that object. Now I'm going to save this, head over down to the terminal, log it out. I can get an error because I don't know why I had composition event. So let me just delete that and put in back content. save this. Oh, what the hell is happening? Save this, go down. You can see I get an output of callbacks and coding. So the name actually gets assigned this value callbacks, and the content gets assigned a value of content, which is coding. So get callbacks and coding. It's actually one of the very good features you can use Destructuring when working with JavaScript objects. Now, so one way you can do that, like a trick I discovered or found online you can do it, is you can create a function. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's a function. Let me call it destroyer. I'm going to put in, so since actually this is actually an object, we can destructure this inside this function, add a parameter, and put in the properties name and content. Then we create a curly braces down below. We can say console.log use the backticks template features. My name is $, name, and I love sorry guys, I'm just reading my typos really off the chat zone. I love, if I get this wrong once, I'm going to leave it like that. I love better. I love content. Yeah, it's right. So I love content. Now you can see we've actually destructured this object. So when we go down below, we're going to call this function destroyer. Now the parameter we're going to pass in, notice I told you guys before, actually when you destroy an object, when you're destructuring an object, actually you want to put the properties you want to access in the curly braces. Then you can assign it down to the name of the object you created, which is going to be distro. So the parameter we're going to pass in is going to be the distro parameter, because it's mapping the properties back to the distro variable, which contains the object itself. So distro. What is wrong with this keyboard today? Distro. Yeah. Now I can save this, head over down, go down terminal and call this. You can see it said my name is callbacks and I love coding. So it's actually very an important feature, or very nice feature if you ask me. I call in my personal opinion, I can call this a quick hack which you can use when coding JavaScript. You can use the Destructuring. It's actually very used, or well used in the JavaScript React framework, which actually I don't use myself. I use the Vue framework, which actually I'm going to drop in videos on this channel. So if you guys like this video, please hit the subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, hit the notification bell button to get more videos like this. And till then guys, I'm signing out. Peace, stay safe.